In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change email in Zoho. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin with, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and navigate to Zoho's official website. Zoho is a comprehensive cloud software suite for businesses, offering a range of applications and services. Once you are on Zoho's homepage, look for the sign in option, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that link. It will direct you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Enter your username and password and then proceed to sign in. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Zoho homepage. From here, you're going to need to access your mail settings. So find and click on the mail section. This will take you into the section of Zoho where you can manage your email settings and preferences. Next, you'll need to access your profile settings. To do this, look for the profile icon or link in your mail interface. Clicking on it will bring up your personal information and account settings. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Zoho account, including updating your email address. Now, within the profile settings, locate the section related to your email address. It might be listed as email address or something similar under your account details. Click on this to open a window or menu where you can input your new email address. After you've entered your new email address, make sure to review any prompts or verification messages. There might be a need to verify the new email address by clicking on a confirmation link, which you'll receive in your new inbox. This step is crucial as it helps to confirm that you have access to the new email account and that you intended to make this change. Once you've confirmed the new email address, it should now be updated in your Zoho profile. You might want to log out and log back in just to ensure that everything is working correctly and your email updates are reflected accurately. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully updated your email address in Zoho. Always remember to keep your account details secure and up to date. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.